Fish number one. Starting off kind of slow. That was probably like my 10th cast. I was expecting to be popping them off a little bit better than that. But I'll take it. Number one. There we go. First one of the morning came on the SENKO. I'm actually thinking about switching though. They're not hitting the SENKO very well. I'll keep casting around, but I might switch over to top water just because it's so early right now. Jeez, I just had like a bluegill or a sunfish or something hit me. About took the rod out of my hand. Set the hook and there was nothing there. I'm assuming it was like a bluegill biting on the end. My pole just went like straight down. There we go. That feels a little bit more decent. Trying to keep them out of the cattails. There we go. I'll take it. I'll take it. There we go. That's a little bit better one. Fish number two. He's about the same size. He freaking choked that thing though. My goodness. Alright. That one's definitely a little bit chunkier. Fish number two in the cattails. It's gonna be another one of them mornings just throwing SENKOs at the cattails. It's weird because I cast that spot like 4 times. Didn't get a bite. Finally on that last one, he hit it. There we go. Oh gosh. Missed him again. It's like someone brought like their old John boat down or something. I don't know. I don't know what that is doing over there. I couldn't see earlier, but I think it's a John boat. Pretty sure. Alright, spot number 2. I was just walking down and I saw something bust right down here. I usually cast at the spot that I'm going to before I get up to it, just in case there's a fish sitting up on it. What the? What bird is that? Oh, here we go. Oh, get the... How did I not hook him? Oh my gosh. I almost just took a hook to the face. I just have one bite right there. That's why you always cast at the spot you're going to first. He ate that thing up. Oh! Dang it! There was another one. That one felt good. Took my SENKO. robbed me. Stacked up in these little cattails down here, guys. 2 bites, 2 casts. Second one, he robbed me. Robbed my SENKO. What are you gonna do now? I think I'm gonna catch you this time. Nope. He knows I'm using a fake worm now. Don't tell your buddies. I'm gonna have to get down here to land the fish, so. Oh my goodness. Another one. What's going on? That dude took my line straight out. It's a nice looking bed right over here. I don't see any fish on it, but oh, there was a fish on it. There was a fish on it. That was crazy. There we go. Fish number 3. Little male on a bed. Yeah, it was crazy. I was pitching at these cattails. I look over, I'm like, oh, there's a nice looking bed right over here. So I just throw my SENKO on it, and what do you know? There's a fish on it. And he threw my SENKO, so I gotta go get some more. Where'd that go? Oh, there it is. Nice. He's in the cattails. The little guy. There we go. Little fatty. Little fatty fish. Gosh, that might be a little mama. Look at that little chunky bell. Oof, came right out. There we go. Well, not disappointed this morning. We're catching them. Got some fat ones too. All little guys so far. Take a cast over here. See what happens. Oh, beaver does not like me on his hut. He's a mad beaver. Calm down, dude. I just need to catch a couple fish. You want me to leave you one for breakfast? I can do that. I'll just toss one in your little hut. Too many small bass in here anyway. There we go. Look, see? This one's perfect. You want a fish? Alright, off the beaver dam, guys. Not the one I was wanting off here. fish too. For goodness sakes. Oh no! How the f did that happen? I just saw a bass come up and cruising and he looked at my SENKO, took off towards it. I know he ate it. Dang, dude. That sucked. What the heck? Okay, another little one. Not what I'm looking for. Awesome, cool, pretty fish. Where the big ones at?